morning. Welcome to the Gambling Gardener. We're going to do a bee inspection today. It is hot out here. One of these days, I'm not going to say that, but it is hot. Another one of those 100-degree days. I've been kind of putting this off, but I got to get in here and take a look and see what's going on. These bees have been pretty aggressive over the last couple weeks. I don't know, particularly this one. This one is the swarm that I got. They seem to be overly aggressive. I actually got stung last week. Apologize for the sniffling. Got a little bit of a cold. So we're gonna go ahead and get our smoker going here, just because they've just been overly aggressive. I'm not really sure why. It's that time of year. Maybe somebody watching can tell me that. But the ones that I bought, they're not as aggressive as the swarm. So I'm going to get my smoker going here. I got to take all three of these off. I got to look inside. I'm going to get my big gloves on this time. Make sure that everybody's going to work nice together today. And again, it is hot out here today. Get this going. Get my big gloves on. Nice capped honey in there. They seem nice and healthy, doing their thing. So all looks good. I'm not going to mess around with this one too much. I'm just going to stick it back in. Everything looks good here. They got some good honey going there. Looks good. Do you agree? Looks good. Stick this back in here and leave these guys alone. Like I said, there's looks like there's like 4 of these in there that are full like this, so that's awesome. So still doing their thing, good. I do want to tell you about something that happened a few weeks ago. So I was out here harvesting some honey in a jar, just like we do in the flow hive, and went inside to get something. I was gone maybe 2 minutes, and I came out here and literally got robbed. And when I say robbed, these were full. I was harvesting these. I was harvesting these frames, and I would say within 2 hours, they were empty. Every single one of them was empty. I didn't even know anything like that was possible, but apparently it is, and they took all of our honey. So hopefully we'll get a flow here in the fall with some stuff that's coming up. So we'll see. Which was a bummer, because that was a fall, or like a separate kind of honey that was coming in. It was a little bit darker. We did get some of that, so I was looking forward to some more of that, but they took it all. They do send out the warning sign, don't they? Something's getting ready to happen. Sometimes I don't always like using the smoke. Sometimes I think it gets them riled up a little bit more than they need to be. But just take a quick peek on here, see if there's any queen. No. Looks good. Set that over here. So yeah, what we're doing here is we just want to see if the queen's still doing her thing and giving us some brood and new bees coming along. So we'll just pull one of these up. Healthy right there. That's the other thing, just checking for overall health. That one just seems a little off. Looks like it might have some looks like it might have mites on it. It's kind of hard to tell because they are small, but everything looks pretty good. There is one in here that doesn't look that healthy, but we'll keep an eye on it. Let's go with one more. I'd like to see some brood. There's more than that, so let's. Looks like there might be a little bit more on this one. Careful as possible. Yeah, there's a little more brood on this one. Yeah, looks pretty good. Some brood, looking pretty good. Is that the queen? No. Put this one back in. All right. Probably go against my better judgment here, but we'll go ahead and check one more. See if we might see the queen. All right, there's some nice brood. Doing really good in here. Things look pretty good. There's a couple in here that are kind of, see some drone. See if we got any larvae down. Yeah, I see some larvae down in here. So yeah, this is going good. We're gonna go ahead and close this back up and get them back home. I mean, that's looking really good. I mean, I don't see any issues with this one at all. Like I said, there's some larvae in there, so everything's looking good. All right. Same thing here. We just want to see that the queen is giving us some brood. See if she's around. This queen's going to be a little easier to find because she is marked actually. This hive has never filled up. I mean, it's always been lagging. It's only been about half, so probably doesn't even really need a super on there, but